for homework 9, question 9, we see that the capital X1 to I is a sequence of independent random variables. And capital YN equals the sum from I equals to 1 to n of capital Xi. We need to prove or disprove that capital Y is a Markov chain. So let's start. Here, the probability of capital Y n plus 1 equals lowercase y n plus 1 based on capital Y n equals y n, capital Y n minus 1 equals y n minus 1, and so on to y1 equals to y1. Yes, and this should be equals to the probability of capital X n plus 1 plus capital Y n, and which is equals to y, a lowercase y n plus 1 based on y n equals to y n minus 1 equals to y n minus 1, and so on. Capital Y1 equals to y1. And this should be equals to the probability of, let me see, capital X n plus 1 plus lowercase y n equals to y n plus 1 based on capital N y n equals to y n, capital Y n minus 1 equals to y n minus 1, and so on to y1 equals y1. And this should be equals to the probability of capital X n plus 1 equals lowercase y n plus 1 minus y n, capital Y n equals y n, capital Y n minus 1 equals y n minus 1, and so on, y1 equals y1. This should be equals to the probability of capital X n plus 1 equals y n plus 1 minus y n based on capital Y n equals y n. Let me check again. Yes, I think this is right. And this should be equals to capital X n plus 1 plus lowercase y n equals lowercase y n plus 1 based on capital N y n equals y n. And this should be equals to the probability of capital X n plus 1 plus capital Y n equals lowercase y n plus 1 based on capital N equals lowercase y n. Yes. And this should be equals to the probability of capital Y n plus 1 equals y n plus 1 based on y n equals y n. So we prove this is a Markov chain.